Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install your YT041 extrusion with lens and tape light. First, you're going to need your YT041 extrusion with lens, your tape light that you're going to be using, your Con 20 power feed, and your two end caps. First, you're going to take your tape light and remove a little bit of the 3M. Next, you're going to take your power feed and unroll it. You're going to now take the tape light and slowly and gently put the tape light inside of the power feed. When doing so, please make sure that you do not bend the tape light. If you do bend the tape light, it may cause damage to the tape lights. Once you have done so, you can go ahead and use your one-time snap connector, like so. Next, you're going to take your extrusion, and now you're going to install your tape light. You're going to remove the 3M from the back of the tape, and you're going to carefully install it within the lines of the extrusion. Once you have done this, you need to be careful to make sure that there is no bubbles in between the tape light and the extrusion. Now you can go ahead and put on your lens on the extrusion. And lastly, you're going to add the end cap to your extrusion on both sides. And once you have done this, all you need to do now is connect your tape light, positive, negative, to whichever driver you're going to be using. When using your driver, please make sure you read all instructions that is provided with your driver to ensure that installation will be correct and necessary. That's all.